Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Plater. First, you will need to download the Plater add-on from a reputable website, ensuring you get the correct version for your game client. Once downloaded, extract the files and place the Plater folder directly into your game's add-ons directory. Finally, launch your game and navigate to the add-ons menu from the character selection screen. Make sure Plater is checked and enabled before entering the world to begin your customization journey. Now that Plater is enabled, let's dive into its core settings. You can open the configuration menu by typing /Plater into your chat. Here, you will find options to create and manage profiles, which are incredibly useful for saving unique setups for different characters or combat roles. Take some time to adjust general display settings, such as the overall scale of nameplates or their opacity, to suit your visual preferences. Remember to save your profile changes often, perhaps every 5 to 10 minutes, to ensure your hard work is not lost. Next, we will focus on tailoring the individual nameplates to your liking. Within the configuration menu, you can extensively customize health bar appearance, including colors based on unit type or health percentage, and the text displayed. Setting up cast bars is crucial for tracking important enemy and friendly spell casts, giving you a tactical advantage. Furthermore, you can fine-tune how buffs and debuffs appear on nameplates, perhaps showing only dispellable effects. Experiment with nameplate width and height to find your perfect balance of information and screen space. Finally, let's explore some advanced Plater customization options. Modifiers allow you to apply specific rules or visual changes to nameplates based on unit type, combat state, or other conditions, offering immense flexibility. You can also easily import and export entire profiles or individual scripts, sharing your setups with friends or trying community-made designs. Custom scripts unlock powerful possibilities for unique visual effects or tracking specific game mechanics. Always remember to back up your Plater settings periodically, perhaps once a week, to safeguard your personalized configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.